Thallophyta. Thallophyta. Thallophyta are derived from the Greek word thallo, plant body without root, stem, and leaves. Phyta, a plant. Thallophyte, plural. Any any of very many primitive plants that consist of a thallus, formerly collected in the obsolete, no longer produced or used taxonomic group Thallophyta. The thallophytes are polyphyletic, many races, group of non-mobile organisms traditionally described as a thalloid plant, relatively simple plants or lower plants. Thallophytes are mainly aquatic plants. Examples are algae, fungi, lichens, and bacteria. Plant from the phylum division of Thallophyta. The plant body may be unicellular or colonial or multicellular in organization. The sex organs are unicellular. Thallophytes reproduction is mainly asexual. The thallophytes are defined as having undifferentiated bodies, that is thalli. They have a hidden reproductive system and hence they are also called cryptogamy. Or cryptogams, plural cryptogamy. Greek krypton means hidden plus gamete means too many, to marry, that reproduce by spores without flowers or seeds. Hidden reproduction, referring to the fact that no seed is produced. Thus, cryptograms represent the non-seed bearing plants. Thallus, thalli, meaning a green shoot or twig, undifferentiated vegetative tissue of some organism in diverse groups such as algae, fungi, some liver rots, lichens, and the Maxogastria. An organism or structure resembling a thallus is called thalloid, thyloidal, thyloform, thylline, or thallus. A thallus usually names the entire body of a multicellular, non-moving organism in which there is no organization of the tissues into organs. Thallophytes are further divided into following groups: algae, fungi, bacteria, lichens. Algae means seaweeds. Algae are pond scum. Terrestrial algae show algae, seaweeds, freshwater and marine phytoplankton. The plant body is relatively undifferentiated and there are no true roots and leaves. A large and diverse groups of oxygenic, phototropic, eukaryotic microorganisms. The green algae is the most diverse group of algae. They possesses the green pigment called chlorophyll. With this pigment, which absorb the radiant energy of the sun, they can manufacture food by the process of photosynthesis. There are more than 7,000 species. Size and cell arrangement. Most algae are microscopic, need a microscope to see it, and some are motile. Few are macroscopic, 60 meters to 200 feet in length, and non-motile. Algae reserve food in the form of starch. Most of the members have storage bodies called pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Pyrenoid contain protein. Some algae store some food in the form of oil droplets. Unicellular alga, a single cell organism. Colonial, single cell organism coming together. Multicellular, filamentous, branched or unbranched, and complex. Algae have three methods of reproduction: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction. It is a simple process of reproduction in algae. The thallus divided into smaller fragments and each part later on gives rise to a new plant. This process is termed fragmentation. Takes place by fragmentation, that is state of breaking. Asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction by which offspring arise from a single organism and inherited the genes of that parent only. It does not involve the fusion of gametes and almost never change the number of chromosomes. Asexual reproduction is the primary form of reproduction for single-celled organism. Takes place by means of spores called zoospores, produced in zoosporangia. They are associated to or four whip-like flagella. Sexual reproduction is of isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous. Isogamous or isogamy is a form of sexual reproduction that involves gametes of similar morphology, similar shape, size. Because both gametes look alike, they cannot be classified as male or female, most commonly noted as positive and negative strains. Fertilization occurs when gametes of two different mating types fuse to form a zygote to join. Anisogamous. Anisogamy refer to form sexual reproduction involving the union or fusion of two dissimilar gametes. The smaller gametes is considered to be males or sperm cells, whereas the larger gametes is regarded as female or egg cell. Oogamous. One of a pair of a structurally dissimilar gametes, the female gametes being large and non-motile, and the male gametes being small and motile. Like the plants, the green algae contain two forms of chlorophylls, A and B, which they use to capture light energy to fuel the manufacture of sugar. But unlike plants, they are primarily aquatic. Because they are aquatic and manufacture their own food, these organisms are called algae. Group of algae: brown algae, Phaeophyta, and cell wall is cellulosic. Red algae, Rhodophyta, cell wall is cellulosic. Green algae, Chlorophyta, cell wall is cellulosic. Dinoflagellata, cell wall is cellulosic. Diatom, that is Bacillariophyta, cell wall is absent, which is made up of pectin and silica. Water molds, that is Oomycota, cellulose. This is the green algae, brown algae, and red algae in the water ponds. A fungus, plural fungi or fungus, is any member of this group of eukaryotic organisms that include unicellular microorganisms such as yeast and molds. Multicellular fungi that produce familiar fruiting forms known as mushrooms. Plant diseases caused by fungi include rust, smut, and leaf, root, and stem rots, and may cause severe damage to crop. 5 phyla of fungi: Chytridomycota, Zygomycota, Glomeromycota, Ascomycota, and Basidiomycota. Characteristics of fungi: eukaryotic, heterotroph, cell wall is made up of chitin and a filamentous hyphae. There is absence of tissues. Reproduction in fungi: it can be reproduced asexually or sexually. Fungi can reproduce asexually by fragmentation, budding, or producing spores. New colonies of fungi can grow from the fragmentation of hyphae. Asexual spores are genetically identical to the parents and may be released either outside or within a species reproductive sac called a sporogonium. This is the structure of fungi. Sexual reproduction. A large number of fungi reproduce sexually. However, the members of fungi imperfecti or deuteromycetes lack sexual reproduction. Cells of opposite mating type fuse, nuclei fuse together and mix chromosome. Sexual reproduction and types of sexual spore produce is isogamous, anisogamous, and heterogamous. In isogamous type, the two gametes are identical in size, shape. In anisogamous, two gametes are unequal in size and shape. And in heterogamous, the one is motile, another is non-motile. Ascomycota, which is having called as sac fungi. Basidiomycota, we call it as a club fungi or mushroom. Chytridiomycota, that is flagellated or protrist. Glomeromycota, that is plant symbiosis mycorrhiza with the roots or thalli. Zygomycota, sporangia or braid molds. Bacteria. Plant pathology is the scientific study of disease in plant caused by pathogens, infectious organisms, and environmental conditions. Physiological factors. Bacteria have a number of shapes ranging from spears to rods and spiral. There are typically 40 million bacterial cells in a gram of soil and a million bacterial cells in a milliliter of fresh water. Bacteria also live in symbiotic and parasitic relationship with plants and animals. Bacteria are single-cell microorganisms generally ranging from 1 to 2 μmicron in size that cannot be seen with the unaided eyes. Structure of the bacteria, which is having a nucleoid region, plasmid, capsule, pilius, cell wall, and peptide glycan. These are the bacterial donor and recipient cells, which can recipient chromosomal DNA to our plasmid. Recipients get these plasmids and old donor to new donor forms the fusion. Types of bacteria. There are gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The plasma membrane of gram-positive bacteria are periplasmic space with peptidoglycan, and plasma membrane of gram-negative bacteria is periplasmic space with peptidoglycan. Outer membrane is lipopolysaccharide and protein. How they reproduce. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms that reproduce asexually. Bacterial reproduction most commonly occurs by kinds of cell division called binary fission. Binary fission results in the formation of two bacterial cells that are genetically identical. Asexual reproduction in bacteria. Sexual reproduction in bacteria. Bacteria capable of form of a sexual reproduction which involve the transfer of DNA between bacterial cells. This process is called as conjugation. This is the conjugation process of bacteria. Plasmid transfer themselves between bacterial cells. Bacterial communications. Lichens. A lichen is a composite organism that arises from algae or cyanobacteria or both, living among filaments of a fungus in a symbiotic relationships. Lichens come in many colors, size, and forms, but lichens are not plants. Lichens do not have roots that absorb water and nutrients as plants do. But like plants, they produce their own food by photosynthesis using sunlight, energy, from carbon dioxide, water, and minerals in their environment. When they grow on plants, they do not live as a parasite and only use the plant as a substrate. Lichens are really combination of species from 2 or 3 biological kingdoms, so there is no common lineage. Lichens have the same scientific name as the fungus in them and are not classified according to the species of the algae and or cyanobacteria growing in them. Types of lichens. Lichens may have tiny leafless branches. We call it as a fruticose lichen. Flat leaf-like structure called as foliose lichen. Flake that lie on the surface like peeling. We call it as a crustose lichen. Lichens growth forms. The crustose lichen, which grows on edges, flat, unlobed, and closely attached to substrate, hard to remove without damaging substrate or lichen. Algae usually disperse, edge, unlobed, leprose, and scamulose included here. Foliose or leafy lichen, A sandwich of fungal layer with algal mat in middle, circular growth lobes, small rootlets called rhizine attached it to substrate, top and bottom layer different. Fruticose, round branches with its fungal layer outside, its algal layer within, no rhizine, vertical growth pattern, odd shaped structure such as globulate thread. Fruticose lichens are either shrub-like small mounds growing up from the ground or beard-like small tangled looking a bit like Spanish moss when hanging down, attached to the substrate only at their base and usually with a circular cross section. How lichens are formed. A particular fungal species and algal species are not necessarily always associated together in a lichen. One fungus, for example, can form lichen with a variety of different algae. Many lichens reproduce asexually either by vegetative reproduction or through the dispersal of diaspore containing algal and fungal cells. Soredia, that is singular soredium, are small groups of algal cells surrounded by fungal filament that form in structure called soralia, from which the soredia can be dispersed. Thank you.